Supreme Court of India, in the judgment of 7th February 2018, has made it clear that the mining operation shall stop with effect from 16th of March. So till 15th of March, they could have extracted. They have extracted. Once you extract the ore, you have to pay royalty on it and you have to take it out. If you pay royalty on it and if you take it out, then once you take it out, you have to utilize the ore somewhere. Some people may export it, some people may use it for captive consumption, whatever it is. Supreme Court has not stopped that.
गोय सरकार मिनाचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट करूंक दिता म्हूण याचिकादार गोवा फाउंडेशन सुप्रीम कोर्टात गेल्ले. तांणी ही गजाल सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे नजरेक हाडून दिल्ली. रॉयल्टी भरिल्ले आनी लीज एरिया भायर आशिल्ले मिनाचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट जाता म्हूण ASGन त्या वेळार स्पश्ट केल्ले. उपरांत सुप्रीम कोर्टान गोवा फाउंडेशनाक रितसर याचिका घालची म्हूण सांगिल्ली. मात गोवा फाउंडेशन मीन येरादारी आड नवी जनहित याचिका घेवन हायकोर्टात आयले.
In fact, Goa Foundation through Mr. Prashant Bhushan made a plea before Supreme Court the other day when the matter had come up, saying that Goa government has permitted transportation. So the judges called upon me and I answered, saying that we have not permitted any transportation. What is being transported is not from the lease to outside, but it is already transported ore which was transported outside before 15th of March, on which royalty has been paid, that they are this one. So the judges told him, you file a proper application, we'll deal with it. Now, in the meantime, I'm told, and that's what I've read in the newspapers, today you are asking me about it, that High Court has issued an order. So I do not know under what circumstances the High Court has issued an order, what was the reason, what is the application, what is the ground for issuing an order. One doesn't know. So I'm not aware about it, so I can't comment on the High Court order. But insofar as the transportation is concerned, it is once the royalty is paid on the ore and ore is taken outside, they are free to take it anywhere.
मिनाचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू दवरिल्ल्यान सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो आदेश मोडटा म्हूण गोवा फाउंडेशनान दावो केल्लो. तेन्ना ही याचिका सुप्रीम कोर्टातूच घालपाची.
If the grievance is that there is a contempt of the Supreme Court's order, then it is only the Supreme Court of India which has jurisdiction. You are perfectly right. It is only the Supreme Court which has jurisdiction to deal with its own contempt or contempt of the other courts. High Court can deal with the contempt of High Court or any subordinate court, but it surely cannot deal with the contempt of Supreme Court. You are right. Constitutionally, that is the provision.
मूळ मायनिंग बंदी विशीं सुप्रीम कोर्टात फेरविचार अर्ज घालपा विशीं गोंय सरकारा कडच्यान अजून तरी कसलेच निर्देश येवंक ना म्हूण ASG सांगता.
I'm appearing, but I have no instructions. Unless I get instructions to file, only then I'll file. On my own, why should I act?
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.